Hello everyone! Thank you for joining us today. We are thrilled to announce our two new models, the ROG Phone 6 and the ROG Phone 6 Pro.
Now let's look at the lineup, which is very straightforward. You can choose between the black or white version or go for the ROG Phone 6 Pro with that colorful RGB ROG Vision secondary display on the back of the phone. The 6 series of our ROG phones naturally sport the latest flagship SoC from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Its 8-core CPU can run it up to 3.2 GHz. With ROG GameCool 6, we came up with several solutions to improve thermals and as a result, performance in each of those scenarios. We developed a unique 360-degree CPU cooling technology to complete this mission. As you can see, during heavy loading, the boron nitride compound is able to lower temperatures by up to 10 degrees. This time around, we managed to increase the size of the vapor chamber by an additional 30%. So heat can be moved faster and go to all corners and sides of the phone. Our brand new AeroActive Cooler 6 not only gives you a significant performance boost, but improved comfort. It uses a thermoelectric cooling module, also known as a Peltier element. It drops temperatures on the back of the ROG Phone 6 by an incredible 25 degrees. The AI cooling system on the ROG Phone 6 adjusts the TEC dynamically to avoid temperatures from getting too low. On the back, you get 4 physical tactile buttons that are arranged to let you control each of them precisely without losing grip of the phone itself. We are stepping up the game and are proud to be the first to push Samsung AMOLED panels to a jaw-dropping 165 Hz refresh rate. Look at a quick comparison between 120 and 165 Hz here. And the ultrasonic buttons can now execute 2 commands. One when you press down and another when you lift your finger. You can now use the gyroscope to look around as well. Just press and hold one of the ultrasonic buttons and you can then look around naturally. Waterproofing gaming phones is extremely challenging, especially on our ROG phones with those 2 massive speakers. Turning to the camera, Sony's brand new IMX766 sensor is notably larger.
I'm proud to introduce our next generation gaming headphones, the ROG Cetra True Wireless Pro. They are the world's first dual-mode true wireless headphones featuring an ESS quad-deck and AI microphone. I'd also like to mention that we offer the ROG Cetra True Wireless model. So today I'm thrilled to introduce the first dual-mode wireless ROG gaming headset, ROG Delta S Wireless. The Delta series also includes the Delta S Core, so there is no better time to upgrade to an ROG headset.